Welcome back to the Tavern Adventures. Today I am going to be making Soboro Daikon, an authentic Japanese meal that's healthy, simple, and absolutely delicious. Stay tuned and watch me as I make this amazing dish. Okie dokie, as for the ingredients today, our main ingredient here is Daikon radish. You could get this at your local Asian market, and some Albertsons and Walmart sell them as well. Or if you're on a military installation, commissary sells them as well. Some ground pork, I've got about a pound or so. Some sugar, this is about a tablespoon and a half. A little cube of ginger, you don't need too much. As for the seasoning here, I'm using something called honsuyu, which is a combination of soy sauce, mirin, sake, and dashi. Dashi would be bonito or kombu. And I'm using dashi powder just for the additional flavor and some salt to taste. That's all you need for this simple dish. Alright, so let's prep our ginger and our daikon. Alrighty, the daikon and ginger has been prepped. Daikon I skinned, sliced, and then quartered into these little bits and pieces here. And then, as for the ginger, I just minced it all up. Now let's get ready to cook this up. Alright, grab yourself a large pan, then turn on the fire to low. And this dish is all about braising on low heat, so we're just going to add in the daikon first, kind of spread it out, lay it flat as possible. And then right on top of that, we're going to add the ground pork. And then just add a touch of salt to the pork, a little bit on the daikon. Add in the sugar. About 1, 2, 3 pinches of dashi. And then get your honsuyu. And I'm going to add probably about half a cup's worth here. It's condensed, so what we're going to do is add some water to it. That's one thing I forgot to show, but we are going to add some water. I'm going to add about a cup and a half of water to this. Get yourself a ladle or spoon and just kind of crush the ground pork right into the sauce here. Okay, now that it's flattened out, simple as that, we're going to just put a lid on it, let it cook up on low heat for about an hour, and we'll come back again in an hour to check it out. Alright, it's been about 1 hour or so. We're going to now give it a good stir just to loosen up the meat here a little bit more. And then just stir it along with the daikon and give it a good taste as well to see if you like it. Yeah, I love that flavor. Good flavor going here. If you want it a bit more salty, add a touch more soy sauce to it. Mine is perfect the way it is. And I'm going to go ahead and cover it again and keep braising it for about another hour. Alright, it's been about another hour now. It's still simmering. Now, this part is optional, but I like to do this. I like to thicken the sauce. I got here some potato starch, or you could use corn starch, mixed in with water. And we're going to thicken up the sauce here. Just about 2 teaspoons of starch with 2 teaspoons of water. And you're going to mix that up and thicken it. Alright, and it looks like it's thickened up nice and good, so we're going to serve this up. Get your bowl ready. And go ahead, serve. This part's optional as well, but you could take some shichimi. It's just a little spice powder. And there we have it. This is Soboro Daikon, an authentic Japanese meal. Alright, let's give this a good taste test here and get that spicy shichimi in there. Good bite of everything. Daikon, ground pork, shichimi. Itadakimasu. The depth of flavor in this dish is absolutely amazing. You don't need to add anything else to it. Just simple flavors. Use that hondashi, which already contains everything that you need. That mirin, soy sauce, sake, and dashi. Touch of sugar to sweeten it up. A little bit more dashi if you want a deeper flavor. But this is going to have the customers running back for more. Thank you again for joining me on another culinary adventure. If you like my content, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you could see more recipes. I'll see you again in the tavern real soon.